Hi, today I want to talk to you about my dietary recommendations before a fast and after a fast. If you're thinking about doing my 7-day detox program, you should know that I recommend 2 weeks of pre-cleansing and 1 week of post-cleansing. And those diets are a little bit different. I'll explain them to you. And the reason why I do this is because I want you to prepare your body. I want you to be ready for your fast. I don't want you to go from your unhealthy diet and start your fast right away, because that could provoke symptoms that you won't really enjoy. You can look at my blog, 8 Detox Symptoms that show your cleanse is working, and you will see I talk about all the detox symptoms that you can have, like headaches, nausea, lymph nodes, constipation, bloating. So there are many symptoms that you can have when you do a fast or a detox diet. And this is because of the withdrawal symptoms, or also because of the toxins that are liberated and circulating in your body that you're feeling like a poison. So what I want you to do is follow my recommendations 2 weeks before the cleanse. Some people will decide to do less, but I want to recommend what's best for you, and then you can decide. I'm not with you at home to tell you what to do, so I can recommend what's best for you, and then you can go from there. So what it's going to do for you to eat clean before your fast, first of all, it's going to allow you to make reserves of nutrients, lots of vitamins and minerals before you start your cleanse. You want to start the fast healthy, or kind of healthy. You don't want to have any deficiencies, and you want your electrolytes level to be high, okay? Because you don't want that to go too low during the fast, because some people will be lightheaded, so you don't want that. So you want to make reserves, and what I recommend for that is to eat and drink lots of vegetables. So lots of salads, lots of vegetable juices. That will really help you. So this is why the pre-cleanse diet, the recommendations are no processed foods, no animal products like dairy and eggs and meat and all this, no industrial sugars, and no alcohol and no caffeine. Some people will not do the caffeine for the 2 weeks. They will wait like the week before or a few days before. A few days before is very important, because it's a few days that it takes for the caffeine to get out of your system and not have that really bad headache. I don't know if you've tried that, stopping coffee. Most people that like the heavy drinkers, they will have really bad headaches when they stop drinking the caffeine. So that's why I recommend to at least stop the caffeine a few days before. But if you want to go all in, you can do the 2 weeks. So this is the pre-cleanse diet, and if you click the links below, you will have all kinds of menu ideas, all sorts of recipes for the pre-cleanse. And then 2 days before the cleanse, I recommend eating raw. So that means just salads, fruit, and to also reduce the amount of food that you eat, just to prepare your body, because you will go into a full fast. So if you reduce the amount that you're eating, like two meals a day, then that could help. It's not something that you have to do, but I really recommend the raw food diet 2 days before, just to prepare your body and alkalize your body for the fast. The other thing that the pre-cleanse diet is going to do for you, it's going to help you lose more weight, because the fast, you probably know, you're going to lose a lot of weight. Usually people lose about 10 pounds in a week. But if people do the 2 weeks before the cleanse, they often lose another 10 pounds. Some people will lose 5 pounds, but you still lose a lot, because going from your unhealthy diet to a vegan, whole food, plant-based diet, you will see the results are phenomenal. And you can drink a lot of smoothies too. It helps also with the elimination, so that's really good. So the other thing that's the pre-cleanse diet is it's for reducing the detox symptoms, like I said before. So I see lots of results. When people do the pre-cleanse, they really have less symptoms. Like, this is why I recommend it. So I highly recommend that you do it too, okay? And it's really easy. It's not like you're going on a calorie deficit diet. Like, you will have all your calories. You will eat as much as you'd like. You will not feel hungry. You will not feel deprived. You actually feel better. You'll have more energy. Your skin's gonna look better. You'll have better elimination. You'll have a better digestion. You'll see, like, I will say that a lot of the clients, they write me after the detox and they decide to go whole food plant-based after their cleanse because they felt so good and they want to feel good like that after. They want to continue be healthier. I mean, this is my goal when I'm selling you the cleanse. My goal is for you to discover this diet so that you feel healthy for the rest of your life, so that you don't have to worry about detoxing for your whole life and going back to the bad diet and doing like the yo-yo like that. I want you to be healthy. So this is why I introduce you to this wonderful diet, which is the whole food plant-based diet. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say about the pre-cleanse diet. And then after your 7-day cleanse, after you have shut down your system for a week, you want to go slowly to reintroduce the food. That's very important because your digestive system is now very sensitive to pro-inflammatory food, you know? So all the inflammatory food are the ones that I told you about just a few minutes ago. So the animal products, they promote inflammation. Industrial sugar. Also, one that I didn't talk about is the grains like wheat products. You want to wait before you eat bread and stuff like that. You don't want to eat that on the first week after your cleanse. So for each day of the fast, I want you to do 1 day of post-cleansing. And the first few days are very simple meals like fruit, vegetables, like steamed veggies or like a blended steamed veggie soup kind of thing. You want to go slowly. And once again, on the links below, you'll find recipes for the post-cleanse diet. And each day you will reintroduce more food into your diet until the end of the week, where you will have just a normal diet again. And I encourage you to continue with a healthy diet, of course. And you need to drink lots of water, lots of green juices, like I said, and that will be the perfect post and pre-cleanse and post-cleanse diet. And that's it. So if you have questions, I mean, all the information are on this article on the link below. And if you have questions, let me know and I'll answer you, and I'll see you in another video. So enjoy your pre-cleanse and talk to you soon.